Sup guys, here we are in a new video. In this video we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Beats Pro. So these are new earbuds by Beats. At first, let's talk about what you see in the box when you pick it up. Now let's unbox this real quick. So this is the box. This is really small, but let's open it up to see what's inside. Oh, okay, here we are. There's another box inside the box. Okay, wow, here we have the Beats Pro. Wow, this really looks amazing. Here you got some guide on how to pair your Beats Pro. Here we have a charger, that's a USB-C with a AirTip, I think. Yeah, it's a USB-C charger. Then here we have some different sizes of AirTips. So you got to choose which is better for your ear. So here we got some papers. Here we have an Apple Music free trial, a Beats Pro manual, and a logo. Let's get back to the product itself. Wow, this really looks amazing. The matte finish. Wow, this really looks tiny, and some wingtips. This will fit right into your ears. So this is the charging case, and these are the earbuds. At first, let's talk about the design, how they look, how they fit. The charging case is really flat and smaller compared to the Power Beats Pro charging case. The charging case is made up of high quality plastic with an amazing matte finish. You get a USB-C charging port, and from the inside you get your Beats Pro earbuds. You also get a flat button here for pairing additional devices. Now back to the earbuds themselves. This is small enough to fit in every ear. It allows the earbuds to stay in a lot better than usual. With the help of the wingtips, the earbuds never fall or wiggle when they are in your ears. So the Beats Pro gives you a good fit. But it depends on how you wear it. And there's only one way right. After pushing the earbuds in your ear, you push the wingtips under the outer part of the ear, which is called the anti-helix. So it fits properly no matter the activities you do. Sports, workouts, it never falls or budge. We got the play and pause button on each pair of the Beats Pro. The button is where the Beat logo is. So the logo is an actual button. So you push the logo once to play or pause a song. You push it twice to play the next song. You press and hold on either earbuds to switch between active noise cancellation, transparency mode, spatial audio, or turn all these modes off to maximize battery life. And this brings us to active noise cancellation. Let's talk about that. The noise cancellation in the Beats Pro is amazing. This was more than what I was expecting, but I don't know if this beats the AirPods Pro noise cancelling. But maybe in a nearer future we will compare the both to know which one is better. Surprisingly, this is having the Apple H1 chip, the same chip in the AirPods Pro that lets you have those cool features. When putting the AirPods back to its charging case, it fits perfectly with the help of the magnet. Also, the charging case fits perfectly in the box. We will also talk about the sound and microphone quality later, but let's finish talking about this. Removing the earbuds from the charging case is easy without struggling with the help of the wingtip. Closing the charging case is good, and I like the sound it makes. The wingtip make the earbuds look better, and it have a skin detecting optical sensor. So they only play music when they are in your ear, and when you remove them, they pause to maximize the battery life. You know, it isn't a good thing for them to be playing inside your pocket or inside your backpack, so it have that sensor. It only plays when they are in your ear, but they play when they are in your hands. When you close them, they play. So fair enough, it's skin. Yeah. In the box, it comes with different sizes of air tips, so you get to choose which is better for your ear. You can also do an air tip fit test in your iPhone to know if the air tip fits properly. Let's talk about the sound and microphone quality. Seriously, to be honest, this is one of the best sound quality I've ever had in my life. I use the AirPods also, but this sounds better. The bass response and the vocals are clear. This is rich audio, guys. And for the microphone, let's do a microphone test for you to hear it yourself. So this is the microphone test for the Beats Pro, and this is amazing. The audio quality is amazing, seriously. As you can hear, if you are making a call with this, it will be okay. Recording a voice note, it will be okay. Or if you are doing an online class, this will also be okay. Testing the microphone Beats Pro. I think this is good, and the audio quality is amazing. That's all about the audio quality. The microphone quality is also incredible. You can make clear calls with this, record voice messages and much more. The transparency mode on this is good. You can hear the background noises so you can know if someone is calling your name or something. And this is a mode. You can turn it off and turn the ANC active noise cancellation to avoid the background noises. The transparency mode is amazing and this is a very important feature. You clearly hear what's around you, so if a car horn or if a vehicle is behind you, you will know so that you can move a little, and this will prevent random accidents. Not like on the other wireless earbuds, you don't get this feature. The next thing is spatial audio. Spatial audio provides an all surround sound effects. This makes one feel like the person singing and the speaker system is surrounded by you. And it also supports head tracking for a better experience. In the box you also get a 3 file for Apple Music, a Beats logo speaker and a user manual. The battery life for this is really decent. With ANC turned on, you get 6 hours of battery life on each earbud per charge with 18 hours in the charging case. The Android users are not left behind. You can install the app for this. You will have a lot of features. The ANC active noise cancellation, spatial audio, transparency mode. You will enjoy all these features as an Android user too. But you won't be able to use the Find My to track the earbuds or the charging case because the Find My just doesn't exist in the Android phones. These have all the features that the AirPods Pro have, so if you switch this, you won't miss any feature. To me, I like this more than the AirPods Pro because it have a better bass response and you can buy it in matte black. As you all know, the Apple AirPods are always white. The only problem with this is after putting it on for 2 to 3 hours, it starts to hurt my ears. I don't know if this is from me, but sometimes it hurts my ears. Secondly, when trying to pause play or change the next song, you unwillingly keep pushing the earbuds further into your ear, and that's seriously annoying to me. But apart from this is an amazing product because of the fit. The fit is what's important. This never falls from your ear or budge. It never tries to shake or fall from your ear. It has a very good fit. You can stick this to your computer when you are resting or when not in use. This really makes you look good in terms of looks. When you put this on, you look stunning. It comes in several astonishing colors. Each color looks good, but the black one is better because of the red logo combined with black looks lit. That's all for the review. To see more unboxing videos and reviews like this, subscribe to this channel and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.